What's up? It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass. I'm gonna show y'all here today how to replace a side view mirror on a vehicle. Not all side view mirror jobs are as easy as 1, 2, 3. In most cases, I would have put a heating gun on it to loosen up the adhesive behind the mirror. I just come through with my flat scraper and just pop all that stuff off. It's real simple. I was able to detach the backing plate of the rearview mirror from the vehicle, and detach the heating elements and all that other good stuff, and was able to clean her up. As you can see, I just took my little flat scraper thing and just broke it up. Then once I did that, got everything clear and just reverse engineered it, and just put things back. I didn't put the mirror on yet because I know I'm gonna have to push this stuff back in. I want to get a good seal on the push. So that's where I'm at right there. And then I take the mirror, the rear view mirror, and I put two-sided tape. Do not use the two-sided tape that comes in the mirror box. Also, I do not recommend y'all using urethane to put on these side view mirrors because it reveals itself on the front side. Go to CarQuest or Napa and get yourself some industrial two-sided tape. Spend $20. Get yourself that good two-sided tape and you'll be good to go.